In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a premium quality plant-based vegan tangerine creamsicle with just a few ingredients. Let's get to it. First, we're going to need our fresh tangerine juice that I just made and fresh coconut milk that I also just made. These are the two ingredients. Plus, we're gonna need a little bit of sea salt, a couple dates, and our magical ingredient, the vanilla bean. With just these 5 ingredients, we're gonna pull off one of the best and natural tangerine creamsicles you will ever eat. This tangerine creamsicle is pretty simple to make. I'll just be using a Vitamix today to blend up all the ingredients together, and then I'll pour them in glass jars and then throw them in my freezer. I'm not going to use an ice cream machine or anything. If you haven't seen my other videos where I show you how to make fresh tangerine juice and coconut milk, then I'll leave 2 links down in the description box for those videos. I'm going to start off with the dates, adding them into the Vitamix, taking out the pits. Pro tip, whenever you use dates, I would always check in the pits before you end up eating them or throwing them in a blender, because I find that some dates have mold in them, and you can tell when you slice them in half, you'll see that it's all black inside. So I find that sometimes with dates, right? So just check your dates whenever you're using them. Because the tangerine juice has some sweet already, I'm just going to add 3 dates. I find that it comes out pretty delicious with just 3 or 4 dates in it. And in this example, I'll be making about a quart worth of creamsicle, because I'm gonna use as much as the coconut cream as I can. I'll try not to put in too much water, because once I add the tangerine juice, it already has water content in it. So I'll get as much as of the cream that I can, and then I'll just pour in the orange juice. What I'm gonna do first is with the dates and the vanilla bean. I'm gonna okay. It's pretty good. Let's start with that. The vanilla bean, you just want to slice it a little bit open on one side, and then I'll just scrape out the vanilla. Just slice it on one side, and then I'll use a butter knife to pry it open, and I'll scrape out all the vanilla bean. You can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla bean. And just like that. one more. Okay. Now I'm just going to blend some of the tangerine juice with the dates and the vanilla bean, and then I'll add the milk and salt after. Wow. Look at how gorgeous that is. Can you see that? Can you see all the vanilla bean in there? I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Okay. Okay, once we got that, now and I almost forgot. If you can't get a hold of fresh coconut milk, then what I recommend using is this organic coconut milk instead for this canned coconut milk. I'll leave a link down in the description box for this exact canned milk. Once we got our, this was coconut milk, but when you let it sit in the fridge, it separates. So this is pure coconut cream, and then this is just the water, right? So we want as much as the cream as possible. See how thick? It's thick. Let me see. Oop. Okay, pretty good. Then, now we add a little bit of salt. Maybe a pinch more. Taste this. Yum. I'm gonna add a little bit more tangerine juice in there. Okay. And even a pinch of salt more. Good. Better. All right. Now we just pour them in the jars. If you ever had a fresh plant-based vegan ice cream like this before, then you know how good, you know how delightful the flavor can actually be. When you eat something this fresh, I mean, it's a game changer. You'll never go back to boring store ice creams again. An ice cream machine would be pretty good with this. It would help to keep it fluffier. But I noticed that it's still very creamy after it freezes. It's pretty awesome too, because with the dates, it's not overly sweet. It's just right. And there you have it. We have about a quart of Tangerine Dreamsicle made from scratch. Let me see if I can show you how it looks like. Can you see that? Not really, eh? Let me tell you though, it smells absolutely beautiful. It's very fragrant. Like, you can smell the freshness in the coconut milk and the tangerine juice. Man, with the blending of the vanilla and the dates, absolute game changer. If you would like a free 7-day personalized meal plan consisting of 21 meals in total, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, then comment meals down below. And I'll also throw in a total calorie count for each meal so that you can stay on track in 2025. If you would like to learn more on how to make top-tier plant-based foods and drinks that will easily keep you healthy throughout 2025 and beyond, then watch this video right here where I share with you how to make a simple cherry coconut plant-based ice cream that will rock your world. Watch this video right here and I will see you there.